This is wash and cut mutton, already added turmeric powder, chili powder, is a coriander powder. Now it is mixed thoroughly. Now it looks like that after mixing with turmeric, chili and coriander powder. Keep it closed after mixing. This is cut loki vegetable. To be added to the meat dish. This is cut and sliced tomatoes and onions. These are the spices to be added. This is lemon, cinnamon and jeera. K leaves. Add yogurt. And mix thoroughly. After mixing, keep it closed. Put a bit of, say about 2 spoons of cooking oil into a pan.
Yeah.
Add jeera powder, jeera seeds, and then sliced onions.
Yeah.
Let it be golden color.
Yeah.
And then add
Mutton.
then add the mutton mixture. Added cinnamon. And now the mutton mixture is added.
Yeah.
And mix thoroughly. Add ginger garlic paste about 1 tablespoon. This is almost over. Add green chili and already cut logi vegetables. Now add tomato, cut tomato. And mix and cover. Chopped coriander leaves to be added later. Add water, a sufficient quantity. After adding water, this is how it is getting cooked. Now cover it.
Cover it for 45 minutes to 50 minutes. Small fry.
Cut 2 potatoes and add
1 potato.
1 potato. Cover. Add a pinch of salt to your taste. Now add green chili and cut vegetables. The vegetable loki. Cover. Now add coriander, chopped coriander leaves and mix. Now the curry looks like this.